What's poppin', everybody? Michael Alder here from carpettools.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install carpet padding. We're in the upstairs of a bungalow. Stick with me, we're going to break it down. So we're going to need a knife, we're going to need our pad stapler, we're going to get busy here. So we got our carpet padding. I'm going to cut the plastic off like this, slide it off of the pad. We're going to utilize that for a garbage bag later on. Just going to unroll each piece all the way down. Start our next shot. So we got our first two shots laid out. Now we're going to straighten them out and actually secure them to the flooring. So you can just do a little carpet dance, walk it over to your tack strips. Slide over the next shot. I'll get you a close up in a second here. Stick with me. Alrighty, so we got them lined up. Come on down here. Alright, so here's our seam where the two pieces of padding have met up. We have a wood subfloor, so we're actually going to use a stapler on this. So you're going to take our pad stapler. We're just going to zigzag across it like this. That way when we move the carpet around on it, it's going to hold in place for us so we don't get any gaps. And then around our perimeter here, we're going to go right up to the tack strips. So we're going to get that pad right up to it. We're going to staple it right down. Now, just to give you a quick example, at the end here, where we have a little bit of excess, so we got the pad going up the wall here. We're going to staple it right behind the tack strip, about an inch or two behind it. We're going to take our carpet knife. You'll see where the tack strip is, and we're just going to trace that. Get you a close up here so you can see what the end result's like. Just cut the pad right up to it, and that's it. And basically, just lay out the whole room. You see what we're working with here. So we're going to lay everything out, secure it all, staple it down, then we'll be ready for the carpet. So I'll do a follow-up video showing you how to unroll a carpet, how to stretch it in, all that good stuff. For more videos on the carpet installation business, tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe and drop by carpettools.com. If you are in any service business and you're looking to scale, I got some cool strategies for you over there. All the links will be below this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you on the next video.